In this video, we will show you how to use this Culture of Safety organizational self-assessment tool to assist you and your team in creating, shaping, and sustaining the type of culture needed to advance the patient safety efforts at your organization and reach your goal to achieve zero harm. In the next few minutes, we will cover how to create your survey, link it to this spreadsheet, collect responses, and finally, analyze your results. To create your organizational self-assessment survey in Google Forms, click the red button under Step 2. Then click Make a Copy. The new tab opens defaulted to questions so you can view the 18 survey items. While you're able to make changes to the survey questions, our recommendation is to leave the survey as is. The 18-question survey is based on the American College of Healthcare Executives research and testing, and the automated analytics are based on these specific questions and response options. To link the survey to the spreadsheet, you will need to head over to the Responses tab and click on the spreadsheet icon in the top right corner. When asked to select the response destination, choose the Select Existing Spreadsheet option. Enter the spreadsheet name in the search bar or look for it in the Files section below. Once the spreadsheet is selected, you will notice that a new tab has been created to track the survey responses. The responses will be recorded in real time and will appear on this sheet. The last step is to reference the responses sheet name in the How to Use tab. If the text in the blue cell matches the responses sheet name, you're ready to start collecting responses. If not, make the necessary changes to the blue cell in the column G. After choosing your desired sample population, you'll need to make the survey available to the intended respondents. In your form editor, click the Send button in the top right corner. Then select the chain link icon in the middle. Use the Copy button to obtain the survey link, and then paste it into your messages to the sample population. You can use the email templates document available in the Toolkit for examples of launch and other communications during the collection period. To access the email templates document, click on the red button under Step 5. When the collection period is over, we recommend closing out the web collector to prevent any new responses from being recorded and potentially affect the overall results. In the Google Form editor, head over to the Responses tab and use the red slide button to turn off the Accepting Responses setting. Once the survey is closed, you can head over to the Automated Analysis tab and view the overall scores for your organization, as well as take a deep dive into each of the 6 leadership domains. The Calculations tab is also available to allow analysts to further evaluate the individual respondent results prior to aggregation. This report template allows you and your team to gain valuable insight regarding the current state of the patient safety culture at your organization and determine the appropriate next steps to advance in the journey to zero harm. For more information, visit AmericanDataNetwork.com.